This dance is called A Bit Lit. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot. Stomp the right beside the left, kick the right forward into a coaster cross, back close cross. Rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the right, shuffle forward on the left. That set of steps once more then. Stomp, kick, off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle. Cross the right over the left, we're going into a little heel jack. So we cross the right over the left, step the left back, touch the right heel forward to that right diagonal, step the right slightly back. Cross shuffle, left over right, rock to the side on the right, recover, sailor, quarter turn right. So that set of steps once more then, heel jack to start, crossing right over left. 7, 8, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn. Let's add that to the top. Stomp, kick off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left shuffle, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn. Kick, ball, cross off on the left. So kick, ball, cross, and again kick, ball, cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover, the weight on the right into a little weave, behind, side, cross. That set of steps once more then, kick, ball off on the left. 7, 8, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Stomp, kick off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left shuffle, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Into a hinge turn. So we'll step the right to the side, turn a half left as we step the left to the side. Cross shuffle, right over left, cross, side, cross. Rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn right, shuffle forward on the left. So that little section once more then, into that hinge turn, off on that right. 7, 8, side, turn, cross shuffle, side, rock, turn, left shuffle. End of dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Stomp, kick off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left shuffle, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, turn, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle. So that's your dance. I'll go through it now with the counts. Stomp, kick off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that's the counts. Hopefully you can see what the timing's like. Now this is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Stomp, kick, off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, cross and heel and cross, shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, turn, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, left, shuffle, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, cross and heel and cross, shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, turn, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, left, shuffle, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, cross and heel and cross, shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, turn, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, left, shuffle. So that's your walkthrough. But there are 2 restarts in this dance. They come on walls 2 and 5, both in the same place after 8 counts. So after the first section, the first left shuffle. Wall 2 will be our 3 o'clock wall. Wall 5 will be our 12 o'clock wall. So let's take wall 5, take you up to the restart point and restart. Stomp, kick, off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, restart, stomp, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle. So that is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information, walls 2 and 5 after 8 counts. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, cross and heel and cross, shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn, kick or cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, turn, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, left, shuffle, stop, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, restart, stop, kick, coaster, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, cross and heel and cross, shuffle, side, rock, sailor, turn, kick ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, side turn, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, stop, kick, coaster cross, turn, left shuffle, cross and heel and cross shuffle, side rock, sailor turn, kick ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, side turn, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, stop, kick, restart roll. Restart, stomp, kick. Heel drag. Kick roll. Hinge. Stop, kick. Heel drag. Kick roll. Kick roll. Heel drag. Kick rolls. Hinge. hope you managed that one.